Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. We are back in Corona Apocalypse lockdown here in Michigan, so Caleb and I are going to shoot a whole shitload of videos. We're going to start off with the Alpinestars Raid Monster Energy Short Riding Glove. Okay, $64.95 is the retail on this pair of gloves. Start off with sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves. That's what I have on right now. They fit and feel great. This is a short riding glove meant for street riders that are looking for a ton of airflow, a lot of comfort, and a little bit of protection. If your number one feature is protection, you're going to want to look for a more robust glove. Even in a short glove, you're going to need to pretty much be north of $100 to have a seriously protective piece. With that said, this one does feel pretty robust. You've got a leather palm. You've got a synthetic overlay in the areas where your hands contact the bars. Also this high impact area here in the palm, kind of help you out. Little stretch fabric right here. They've used that on a lot of the gloves now. Just makes the gloves much more comfortable to wear. Touchscreen compatible. Rubber knuckle protector. Neoprene cuff, kick-ass monster logo. The only problem with that is they're using the wrong color. I prefer the low-carb version myself. Mesh in the fingers, and in between all the fingers there is a real lightweight spandex material that's completely out of the impact zone, and that really drives air into the glove and also increases its flexibility. Got any questions? Leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you get the right gear for your next ride.